just going to be a quick review on these Excelerator turbo mufflers, and I was going to show you the inside of the vehicle. And there's really quite quiet in here, considering you get a bit of a drone around. See if I can find it. It's like maybe 1400 RPM. Let me see if I can find it here. Okay, radar detector. Okay, yeah, it's not that bad actually anywhere. Right about, well, let's see if I can find it. Right about there maybe. But once you get up to cruising speeds, it's actually very quiet in here. You can hear a bit of a tone, but it's not bad. It really isn't. They're a little bit noisier than standard, but not a lot. They're Excelerator turbos. I think they're a Dynamax knockoff, if I remember correctly. But anyway, let me get up to cruising speed here. See, they're not bad. Need to slow it down so I don't get a ticket. That would suck. And I'm trying to find that drone. Yeah, it's really not that bad in here. So anyway, that's the Excelerator turbo muffler system. I have cut the rear catalytic converters off of it, and it didn't really make much of a difference in noise. A little bit in performance, not so much in noise. I'm just trying to get it up to, say, highway speed. Make sure my radar detector isn't going off. So really the only thing you get is a little bit of wind noise. That's pretty common in these vehicles with no insulation. There you go. Oh, these Oklahoma roads are just smooth as silk. But yeah, 65, really quiet in here. I'm impressed with them. I think they're like 50 bucks a pop off of eBay or Amazon. But yeah, quiet, no real drone at all inside the cab. I'll do an acceleration here, see if we can get it. I'm not going to thrash it, don't like thrashing the vehicles. Alright, let's see where we can go. Here we go. Yeah, not bad, it's got a nice little rumble to it. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. Hope that was helpful in making a purchase on these. I would recommend them. I haven't given them a durability test yet, so I don't know how long they're going to last, but I don't see why they wouldn't be durable. Appreciate it.